Hello and welcome back to our channel. If your UC browser is simply retrying and if it's not working, today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. So first thing first, the major problem could be your Wi-Fi. Make sure that you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi, and if you think your Wi-Fi is slower, you may go ahead and switch it to your mobile data to see if it fixes a problem or not. And if you have secondary Wi-Fi, go ahead and connect it to that Wi-Fi. And likewise, if you are using any type of VPN, for a couple minutes, you may go ahead and turn it off, launch your browser, and see if this fixes your problem. Next, what you can do is long tap onto your browser, select the eye icon. In here, go for storage and clear the cache. Now, I also recommend you to clear the data, but read all these and select delete if you would like. Once done, come back onto App Info page. Lastly, select Force Stop and then OK. What you have to do is restart your device, launch your browser, and this will fix your problem.